On a beach by a tree sat my family and me. Then shouted a hawk, "There's a dog on a log." A dog on a log? Well, how can that be? He must be saving that big, frightening flea. Now, why would a dog be saving a flea? Especially in the water on the branch of a tree. I couldn't believe what I saw happen next. Even the dog on a log was perplexed. The flea pulled on a rope and up came a boat. I will bet you can't guess what happened next. A flea family ran from the dog's little toe. They got into the boat and began to row. Once on the shore, they ran through the sand. Over a cookie in my left hand. Right to the hog, that's where they went. As for the dog, he's still riding that log. As for me, ouch, I think I have a flea.